Today, each you guys how we guys can delete your search history on Facebook. There's two ways to do this. Firstly, you can just click on the search icon at the top, and you can see all the search results. You can click on the three dots right beside them. Click on delete and they will be deleted. That is one way. The other way to do it is just click on the search again and click on seal. Once you're on seal at the top, you can see the option called clear all. Click and clear all and all your search history will be cleared. And the third way to do it is just click on menu at the bottom. And then what you want to do is scroll a bit down and click on settings and privacy over here. Click on privacy shortcuts. Scroll all the way down until you see this option called access your information. Click on that, and inside access your information, you can see this option called search history. You can click on see more right beside it, and all your search history is going to be show. They can click on the three dot right beside the search and click on delete. Click and delete and your search will be deleted. Or you can just click and clear searches and all of your search history will be cleared. That's how you guys can delete your search history on Facebook. So if you guys found her video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.